Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get easy diamond armor. Diamond armor is incredibly valuable in Minecraft, providing robust protection against various threats. To craft a complete set, you'll need a total of 24 diamonds. Remember, you must use an iron pickaxe or one of higher quality to successfully mine diamond ore. Anything less will not yield the precious gems. Let's dive into the best ways to find these essential resources. Finding diamonds efficiently is key to gearing up quickly. The optimal depth for mining diamonds is typically between Y-level -53 and -59, just above the bedrock layer. You can employ strip mining, creating long tunnels, or explore vast cave systems. When you locate diamond ore, always be cautious. Check for hidden lava pockets by digging around the ore first to prevent losing your valuable finds. For Windows users, adjusting gamma is straightforward. Begin by searching for Calibrate Display Color in your Windows settings and opening the tool. The wizard will guide you through several steps, including adjusting the gamma slider. Your goal is to find a point where the small dots in the center of the circles become almost invisible against their background, ensuring a balanced and accurate display. Beyond mining, there are alternative ways to acquire diamond armor. You can trade with an armorer villager. They offer enchanted diamond leggings and boots at the expert level, and helmets and chest plates at the master level for emeralds. Also, keep an eye out for loot chests in various structures like end cities, shipwrecks, or desert temples, which sometimes contain diamonds or even enchanted diamond gear. For the ultimate defense, upgrade your diamond armor to netherite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.